Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's Cam. In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to get Photoshop and Adobe Lightroom for free. Really, all the Adobe Creative Cloud apps, you get all of them for free for temporary until it realizes you ain't got no money on your card. Goddamn. So first thing y'all want to do is y'all want to go to the first link in the description. It's going to say adobe.com Creative Cloud. When you come here, you're gonna see a free trial, and by now, if you wanted to buy it, bro, you wouldn't click on this video. Click on the free trial. Make sure you want a brand new account. At the top right, you're gonna see brand new account. Make sure you want a brand new account. I've already claimed it on this account, so it's not gonna let me go through it fully. But the steps are really like it's really simple. Click on free trial. If you want all the apps, click all the apps. I just want Photoshop and Lightroom. I'm gonna do Photoshop Lightroom. Click build monthly. Click continue. Now I don't know when it's gonna stop me yet, but it's gonna stop me because I didn't already claim my free trial. So usually, yes, see right here. So usually it'll say, my fault, I just choked. Usually it'll say checkout right here, and it'll ask you for your card number. Just use your Cash App card. Like, you can make a brand new Cash App, get a Cash App card. You don't even gotta wait for the card to come in. You can use the virtual card number. Put $1 on there, put it on there, and then block payments, or you can just lock the card. And then when they try pulling the money, just block payments from them. And I ain't gonna lie, it lasts for way more than 7 days. It lasts for like 20. I ain't gonna lie, I've been using this for years, so they don't stop it. They don't ban the IP. You can get unlimited free trials. I don't know if y'all knew this, but that's just some free game. I'ma holla at you.